Hello students, today's topic is commutative property. So we'll study today commutative property on whole number, integers and rational number. So the commutative property is all based on this, that is a plus b is equals to b plus a into b is equals to b into a minus b is not equals to b minus a, and b divided by a divided by b is not equals to b divided by a. So we'll prove this. Okay, now let's begin with the whole number formation. So in under whole number formation there are four operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's begin with addition. Now let me consider a as 3 and b as 7. So what we have to do is a plus b. So if we do a plus b, what is the answer we'll get? 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Now let's change the order, that is b plus a. Now what is b? 7, and what is a? 3. So 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So in both the cases we are getting the same answer. So a plus b is equals to b plus a. So we can say addition is commutative. Now let's see what happens in subtraction. Now let a is equals to 5 and b equals to 4. Now first of all we'll do a minus b. So a minus b means 5 minus 4. The answer is what? Minus. Now when we change the order, that is b minus a, what we'll do? 4 minus 5. This time you are getting minus 1. You see, in the first case we got 1. Second case we got minus 1. So answer is not matching. So we'll say a minus b is not equals to b minus a. So subtraction is not commutative for whole number. Okay. Now let's see what happens in multiplication. Now let's see. Let's take a is equals to 6 and b is equals to 2. Now first order is a into b. Now when we multiply a into b means what? 6 into 2, that is 12. Let's change the order. B into a. So b into a would be what? 2 into 6. Again we are getting 12. So in both the cases the answers are similar. So we can say a into b is equals to b into a. So multiplication is commutative. Now let's see what happens in division. So let a equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. Now the first order is a divided by b. That is 3 divided by 2 is what? 1.5. When we change the order, that is b divided by a, what to write? 2 divided by 3. It will come 0.66. So you see the answer is not matching. So we'll write a divided by b is not equals to b divided by a. So division is not commutative. So for whole number, addition and multiplication is commutative, but subtraction and division is not commutative. Let's go to integers. Now for integers, again we'll see addition. This time, as because it is integers, I have taken one number as minus and another number as positive. Okay. So a is equals, let a equals to minus 2 and b equals to 5. Let's do the first operation, a plus b. A plus b means minus 2 plus 5 will give us 3. Let's change the order. B plus a. So we will write like 5 plus under bracket minus 2. So plus minus will become minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So you see in both the cases we are getting the same answer. So we'll write a plus b is equals to b plus a. So addition is commutative for integers. Subtraction, again let a equals to minus 5 and this time b is 7. So let's perform the first operation, that is a minus b. So a minus b means minus 5 minus b. B is what? 7. Minus minus is plus. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 is greater. So 7 is carrying both sign minus. So we are getting answer as minus 12. Let's change the order. B minus a. B minus a means 7 minus under bracket minus 7, because a is already carrying a minus sign. So minus minus is plus. So 7 plus 5 is what? 12. So the answer is not matching, as because in the previous case we got the answer as minus 12 and the second case we got the answer as 12. So the answer is not matching. So we'll say a minus b is not equals to b minus a. Hence subtraction is not commutative for integers. For multiplication, I have taken a is equals to 3 and b equals to minus 4. So the first operation is a into b. A into b means 3 into minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 12. Let's change the operation. That is b into a. B into a means what? Minus 4 into 3. Answer is what? Minus 12. So in both the cases we are getting the same answer. So we can say A into B is equals to B into A. So multiplication is commutative. Now under division, I have taken A is equals to 7 and B is equals to minus 2. According to the first operation, A divided by B, what will be the answer? 7 divided by minus 2 is minus 3.5. When we change the order, that is B divided by 7, that is minus 2 divided by 7, what we get the answer as? 0.2857. So you see, we are not getting the similar answer. So we'll say A divided by B is not equals to B divided by A. That is, division is not commutative. So what we have observed, that for integers, addition and multiplication is commutative and subtraction and division is not commutative. For rational number. So rational number, let's see the first operation, that is addition. I have taken the A as minus 2 by 3 and B as 5 by 7. So when we do the first operation as A plus B, that is minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7, LCM would be 21. We'll get minus 14 plus 15. The answer is 1 by 21. If we change the order, that is B plus A, what we'll do? 5 by 7 plus under bracket minus 2 by 3, as because A is already carrying minus sign out here. So plus minus is minus. Again we'll get the same LCM, that is 21. Here we'll get 15 and here we'll get 14. So 15 minus 14 is 1. So you see, in both the cases we're getting the same answer. So A plus B is equals to B plus A. So addition is commutative for rational number. For subtraction, this time A is equals to 2 by 3 and B is equals to 5 by 4. Now A minus B, when we do A minus B, what is the answer that we are getting? 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. We'll get 8 out here and 15 out here. So 8 minus 15 is what? Minus 7 by 12. When we change the order as B minus A, this time B is what? 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Again we'll have the same LCM, that is 12. Here we'll get 15 and here we'll get 8. So 15 minus 8 is what? 7 by 12. Previously we got what answer? Minus 7 by 12. But this time we got plus 7 by 12. So answer is not matching. So we'll say A minus B is not equals to B minus A. So subtraction is not commutative for rational number. Let's see what happens in the operation of multiplication. This time I have taken A equals to minus 7 by 3 and B is equals to 6 by 5. So A into B means what? Minus 7 by 3 into 6 by 5. What is the answer? 7 6 are 42. Minus sign is out here. 3 5s are 15. So this is the answer. Minus 42 by 15. Let's change the order. B into A. B into A means 6 by 5 into minus 7 by 3. So 6 7s are 42. We'll put the minus sign out here. 5 3s are 15. Okay, so answer is minus 42 by 15. So in both the cases, we got the same answer. So we'll say A into B is equals to B into A. So multiplication is commutative for rational number. So the last operation is division. Now I've taken A is equals to minus 5 by 4 and B equals to 3 by 7. When we divide A divided by B, so it will look like this. That is B, that is 5 minus 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7. We change this division sign into, so what happens? The right hand side fraction will be reciprocal. Once we have done this, then we multiply it. Minus 5 into 7 is what? Minus 35 and 4 into 3 is what? 12. So answer is minus 35 by 12. Now change the order, that is B divided by A now. So B is what? 3 by 7 and A is minus 5 by 4, isn't it? Now again we'll change this division sign into sign. So this particular fraction will be reciprocal. So 3 by 7 into minus 4 by 7. So when we multiply it, 3 into minus 4 is what? 12 and 7 5s are 35. So answer is minus 12 by 35. So if we compare the answer, both the answer we see these are not matching. So we'll say A divided by B is not equals to B divided by A. So division is not commutative for rational number. So what is the observation? That for rational number, addition and multiplication is commutative, but subtraction and division is not commutative. Okay students, in my next video, I will discuss the last property of the rational number, that is associative property. Till then, take care and thank you.